Hello, I say no, that you better pay attention. This particular course which you have started somehow is made up of statistics and mathematics. I hope you heard me. Statistics and mathematics. The course outline, the way I've seen it, is up to four groups. Four groups. The first group is purely statistics, which you have MACOB and so on. That is purely statistics. But the second group, which is integration and differential application, that is mathematics. The next one is sequencing series mathematics of finance, which you did in first semester. There is also math. And the fourth one is matrices check, I mean, check, and one other thing. That is also mathematics. So you can see that there is math up to three, and just statistics is what one. And each of the math, there are so many topics, there are subtopics in it. So I'm starting today with sequences and series. Sequences and series. Alongside with mathematics of what? Finance. So when I finish that, we'll now move to another one, maybe matrices and other things. As the thing unfolds, let's see how we can go about it. For those who are just seeing me for the first time, my name hasn't changed. It's Author St. Vincent. It hasn't changed. Author there means I'm author of mathematics, author of accounting, author of finance, and it's great. So let's see how we can move gradually according to the director. He said we should take it easy so that your life will never remain the same. Let's see how we can handle it. This is called sequences and series. This one they go together. Sequences and series. But we shall take it one after the other. We're starting with sequences. That's the first one. Sequences. When you talk about sequences, you talk about terms. First term, second term, third term. You talk about position. And when you talk about sequences, it's divided into two. There are two major sequences. One is called arithmetic progression, short form AP. Another one is called geometric progression, which is GP. But we'll start with AP first, because we must add before we talk about times. Arithmetic goes with the addition and what? Subtraction. While GP goes with multiplication and division. Okay? Sequences are separated with a comma. 2, comma, 4, comma, 6, comma. That is sequence. When it comes to series, we get 2 plus 4 plus 6. That makes it series. Addition of terms is series. Separation of each term with a comma is series. Like I said, we are dealing with what? Arithmetic what? Progression first. This B minus A equal to C minus what? B. Uh, when they lecture you, the person may not write that thing I wrote on the bracket. That's what you see in my textbook. That formula in that bracket helps you to know three things. One, to know whether the sequence is an AP or not. Two, to find the common difference. The difference between each of what and all that, but don't worry, you must understand. You can't live here without knowing what I'm doing. It's not possible. Except if you have not paid. So like I was saying, the third one, we use that formula to solve some kind of sequence. There are some sequence they will give you. That formula will help as fast as possible. And you know that I doing objective. It's not theory. And when you're doing objective, it looks like a theory multiplied by 2. Because you must solve to pick A, B, or what, C. So you need to pay extra attention. This is our general formula. UN equals to A plus N minus what? B, something like this. So, this is UN. Some may write this for you as well. PN. Whichever. They can use UN, they can use PN. It's just like an old story. This is a new song. But any of the two is in order. Some of them may use UN, some may use what? PN. Are you following? So anyone can work. And what does it mean? This is the end, the end time. This is the unknown time. They all mean what? The same thing. Why this A? Where A is the first time. First time. That is the first number of what? The sequence. While the N is the number of time. Number of time. While this N one here is just to, for error's sake. But while B is the common difference. While the UN is the nth, whether UN or TN is the nth word. Time. Are you there? So now this what you are seeing on the board. This is the general formula for calculating AP. Sequence of what? AP. Not series, we never did series. This is the nth time of calculating sequences of all arithmetic progression. That's the general formula. Another formula can come out which may not be that, but relating to that particular sequence. Well, let's see how it works. These are examples. Examples of arithmetic what? Progression. Examples. How do we form it? You must know a first time, a first number. Just like in a family setting. Like me now, I'm the first one. That means the first time. I follow. The first. Somebody will follow. Another person will follow. When you apply arithmetic progression in giving birth, like me applied. Firstborn, the difference, 2 years, 2 years, 2 years. That 2 years that's in between them is what we call the common word difference. Are you following? So that is what we'll talk about here. The firstborn, the secondborn, the thirdborn, and the lastborn, which is the end last time. The last time is that person at the end. Well, let's see. Examples. A, 2 as my first number, which is the first time of the sequence I'm about to form. I want to assume that my common difference should be the 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3. Another one. And the thing will continue like that. This is a sequence. But this is arithmetic one progression. Because the first time is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. That value that you are adding to one particular sequence to move to the next, to move to the next, to move to the next is what we call common difference, which is written as D. Is it clear? Good. If I ask you on the board now, what is the second time? You know it goes. Fourth time. With this formula, I can find fourth time with this formula. Either by adding 3, I will move on. Or using this formula. For instance, if I'm looking for fifth time, I will just add 3 to this. It become what? 14. If I add 3 again, I will get what? 17. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the fifth time. 17. But if I use this formula, I can get there on time because let's assume I'm asked to find the 100th time. The number that occupies the 100th position. It will take me time to get to 100. But with this formula, I will get there as fast as possible. That is what this formula is good for. To know the number of words. Some of them could lead to simultaneous equation. Some of them could lead to quadratic. Are you following? The phone will get to series, not in sequence, and not in a AP, in the sequence of it. B. It can occur in any type of number on earth. Any type of number. Another one could be what? One. Okay, listen. This is half. Half plus half. You know is one. One plus half. One and a half, Abi. Abi. Half, Abi. Is my common difference is half. Half plus half is what? And one plus half is one and a half. And one and a half means 3/2. Agree? And the whole process continues. Form something. Another type of sequence of AP can also be formed with decimal. Can also be formed with roots. For instance, here's what root 2. That is called mathematics. Root 2. Root 2 plus root 2 is what? Somebody? Are you sure? Root 2 plus root 2 is 2 root 2. Is that like saying 1 comma plus 1 comma is 2 comma? Abi? So root 2 plus root 2 is 2 root 2. Another root 2 what? 3 root 2. Are you following? It can also occur in alphabet. If my first term is x, common difference is x plus x. Another one, and so on. That means arithmetic progression can occur in any type of number on earth. Whole number, fraction, decimal, roots, alphabet, and so on. What you are seeing on the board from A to D are examples of arithmetic progression. Is that clear? And you know how to get common difference? See the board, look at what is on the board now. D minus what? Equal to 1 to anytime I'm given sequence of it or anyone. All I need to do is to put A, B, and 1, C. To check whether it's an AP or not. So that we know the formula to apply. Whether it's formula of AP or formula of G, so that we will not make a mistake. Look at the board. This is B minus A equal to C minus what? And this is what? This is what? 5 minus 2 equal to 8 minus 5. This is 3 equal to what? Because the two sides are equal, which I have told you, the common difference is 3. Find out common what? Different. And because the two sides are equal, it shows that arithmetic what? Progression. Is it clear? Even if whether I test it from here, whether here, that is here with tertiary. If I call this one A, B, C, I'll still get the same thing. That 3 must be equal, showing that is what arithmetic what progression. I'll tell you what that formula is used to be. First, to check whether it's common difference, check whether it's an AP. The third one is later. When we see some question, we'll talk about it. Okay, yes, 14. Thank you. So automatically, you can see that you can even know, which means 11 minus this 3, this minus this 3, which is still another. Now, these are our general formula. Look at it. It's not every time you use this formula. You can go straight to the point. You only use this formula in most cases when you are looking for n. You can say find 10 star. I don't need to bother myself writing this. One. U1, 1. Or T1, 1. U1 means first time. U1 means the first time. First time is equal to A. 10 is what? 1. 1, Abi? Are they with me? Minus what? 1 into what? D. First time is truly A, Abi? 1 minus 1 is 0, Abi? We all know that first time is truly A. We have defined it. If I'm asked to find second time, what should these 2? This is what? A. 2 minus what? 1 into what? D. Second time formula is A plus what? Are you seeing it? A plus D, that's second time. What? So, what is this? What is this? This one? A is what? D is what? 2 plus 3. Equal. That's the second time. We can get second time by just using this formula and we'll go this far. Even this one is half. Half plus half. will give us our second time. The same thing, if you put this root 2, common difference root 2, it will give us 2 root 2. This is x, put x here, x plus x. So, another formula. First time will be a plus what?
Excuse me.
2d. You agree? You agree? First time
Excuse
will be
me.
a plus what? Yes?
Excuse me, sir.
And here you go ahead.
Okay, please, the first one, that first term, a plus 1 minus 1 in brackets. I don't understand the first one, where you got it from.
Okay. 1 minus 1.
Maybe I missed out. Yes, maybe I missed out.
I want to get the formula for the first time, which we all know is A. So whenever I see n in the formula, I put 1. 1 minus 1, you know is that right?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes,
And
sir.
0 times B. 0 times B, I hope you know is that right?
Yes, sir.
So the times is what? A. So first time is truly A. Second time formula is this. Third time formula is this. Fourth time formula is this. Don't reduce it by 1. If here is 4, here will be what? 3D. Fifth time, A plus 4D. Seventh time, A plus 6D. You know everything. You have seen the formula. Very simple.
So do
You
I
only
always
use
put
it
1 there?
No, just with this. Now that we have known that first time is A, we know that second time is A plus D. Third time is what? A plus 2D. You know this formula is what we're using, but immediately you understand. This is 3. Don't remove 1. Here will be 2D. A is always constant. I mean, A is always there in the formula. Whether you use
Yes,
this
so
or this,
what I'm asking is, whenever it's first term, I'll use 1 minus 1.
you don't need to put that one again. We're only trying to define for you that first term means A. Second term means A plus D. Third term means A plus 2D. Fourth term is A plus 3D. 100 term is A plus 99D. Just like that. So that you don't waste your time in examination. Remember the exam you're doing is objective. Always that you get to fixing one. You don't know where you can get your result. Any question? Have you seen this? Let's see. Illustration number 1. Examination question will say, given a sequence 3, 10, 17, and it continues. And the question says, find the 8th, 5th term, the 12th term. Okay, let's put it this way. U5, U12, U31, UN, UN minus 1. Already, what you are seeing on the board is the sequence. I never told you whether it's 80 or what. Give you know the sequence. You are the one that will look at the question clearly. That if I say this is ABC, ABC, B minus A, 7, have it? C minus B, 7. You are close to that. It's an AP. And we know the formula to use. And we apply. For instance, in this question, you are going to try some more because understanding the formula is important so that the one that will lead to simultaneous equation or small equation you remember and know what to do. First one, what you know is 3. 3 plus 7. So I try and let you know. 3 plus 7 is 10. Are it? 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 7. 24 plus 7. Do you know the answer for 1A is 31? You agree? And with the formula, I can still get what? 31. Let's see. 1A. Fifth time. How are you 5 equal to A plus what? 4D. And what are A? 3. What are D? And you remember, please don't be mistaken. Mathematics still follow board math. You multiply first before you add. Don't go and say 3 plus 4, 7. 7 times 7, 49. No. You still have 3 plus 21. And you have what? Is it not the same thing? Practically, you can run it, I mean, formula
Yes.
you can get. It's not clear. You can solve B, abi. You can solve C, abi. And leave the rest of it. Just solve that B and C. Let's see what you can do. Because we need to take this thing step by step so that nobody is missing. Oh, the answer is okay. Yes. I'm going out to check now. So they should solve. These things are not difficult. Those of us online, I hope you are copying. Are you copying?
31.
Those online, are you
No, sir.
copying?
No,
Where
sir.
is the problem?
Everything.
Everything. Are you just coming in? Is that the come?
U12 80.
Okay, okay. Go ahead.
U31
You,
31 213.
people are getting answers. I like that. Those of us here physically, is the answer coming out? You what? Oh, good, good, good. These things are not difficult. They can handle it. 213, good. Bingo as
UN
80.
7N minus 4.
Somebody has even gone for that to do UN. That's what I say. These things are not difficult. So this is 80, Abi. This is a 2-1, Abi. Very good. So 1D, UN. This is when I need that formula. This is when I need to write this one. Because I'm looking for the unknown. The end time, n, okay. 3, n minus 1. Common difference is 7. We have 3, 7n minus 7. We have 7n minus 4. So the unknown term is this. This is the n term of this particular AP. This is the n term of all AP. Sequence of all AP. So this is the n term for this particular AP. Watch to know that is right. Watch. What is this? 2 times here. 7 times 5. Minus 4. You see that? The way he does this is what? 12. 7 times 12 minus 4 should be 8. Check, check, check. The same thing 31. 650. You will get the same thing as 213. So that is what this formula is for. We have just created the end term of this particular sequence. And here is the end term of all the sequences.
Sorry, can anybody hear him?
No, we can't tell you.
I got to the doctor from them. No. Sorry, please. The answer to U31 is equals to 213, right?
Yes, 213.
Okay, thank you.
Professor, after you go say another thing.
Oh, God, you know when on the answer, we will never even get questions. Honorary prof.
finance. You know, that day when I was this teacher said mathematics. He has frequencies. He has AP. He has GP. He has matrices. He has set. You want touch am? You can touch it. You don't charge money for touch it. We're not charging money for touch it. Oh, forget money. We don't charge money for touch it. Oh, touch it. Just touch it. You have seen the auto life fund, right? No, 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 no. Don't. Actually, I'm taking math, abi? So it's statistics. That focus on the statistics. So this is the mathematical part I brought. But for focus, that I know hard. Follow the formula. So is it okay now? Yes, it's okay. So those of us online, can you see the board? And it's not for them so they can. In the culture, those of us online, I know those of us here, I know that. Hello?
So how about E? Has E been solved?
Is that
Question E.
question 2?
E.
It has been solved. They will snap it now and send it to you. This is where the E stops. We started with 1E and we move here and we concluded with 7n minus 11. Whenever you see
Please, sir, can
n,
you explain it? Because the network took us off.
I will do it again. I will just,
Thank you.
at least now. Okay. Let me just do it here before I progress. So this is 1E. 1E for those who did not see because of network. A plus n minus 1 into 1 G. So whenever I see n, I put n minus 1. Here is A. This is our n. I'm writing n minus 1 that was there before times D. And this is first time is 3. And this is n minus 2 because minus 1 is minus 2. Then 7. And this is 3, 7n minus 14. As the expansion using the 7. And the final answer is 7n minus 11. And the n minus 1 term is just this. I hope it's clear. Those of us online, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. So we'll take one more illustration before we take real question to apply this, in the application of sequence. What we have just done is to let you know what sequence is all about. But let's just take another illustration. Given the sequence, have 1, 3/2, ... Find A, 8th term, 51st term, 201 term, the nth term, like that. Common indication, our first term here is half, second term is 1, third term is 3/2, and we are aware. Common difference is half, right? Which we know. 1 minus half is half. 3/2 minus 1 is half. So which means that this is a sequence of arithmetic progression, and you can easily get the result without stress. Okay? So for my indication here,
So the B is that U51.
yes, U51, U201, the UN. Just to apply the formula once again before we move on. We have A. That is the 8th term, and that is 8 plus 7D. Abi? First term is what? Half. Common difference is also what? Half. Is that okay? Remember, 7 times half is not 7.5. Hope you know. 7 times that means 7 over 2, which is 3.5. And 3.5 plus half will be 4. Agree? Or if you don't like that method, there is nothing wrong. This 7 over 1. First here, you remember, 1 plus 7, 8 over, and the other is what? For someone who understands would have turned this to 3 and what? Plus what? Answer is what? Because the
So
objective.
what we do?
Hello?
What we having 7D? Are we using the equation from the
Formula. Have you forgotten the formula? Have you forgotten the original formula? N is 8. Put 8 here. 8 here. 8 minus 1. It will fall like this.
Oh, okay.
See?
The first question is U8, right? No U2.
So you 8 first. 8 times. 8 times. They may write you 8 or they will not write it down. 8 times. Is that okay? 2B. I know you also know it. I don't want to write, so now we can move on. 8 plus 51. D. For multiplication, this is half. This is 50 into what? Half. And this is half. Plus what? 25, I mean. 50 times half is 25. And the final result is 25.5, I mean. Or 25 and a half. Whichever one. We get the same result. Number 2C, which is 201, A plus 200D. Our first time is half. 200 times half. We all know 200 times half is 100, I mean. Either 100 and a half or 100.1. The choice is just yours or whatsoever the objective question demands. The end term, that's when I need to write out this formula. Very interesting. You need to write it down. The unknown, first time is half. This is n minus 1. Common difference is also what? Half. Is that okay? Common difference is also what? Just like I told you that AP can come up with any kind of number. Solve, logarithm, anyone.
The board has been
So,
affected.
The board has turned upside down.
I say, board, don't travel up. Okay, they'll do something. Don't worry. Sit down the board. They'll put it on. So, watch you. Half times n is not half n. Because some of you now go around 1 over 2n. No. See, 1 over 2 times n over 1. Are you seeing it? It's n over 2. So if you go around like this now, you put the n down. You don't know whether it's up or down. So you must understand that this n is up. So it should be like this. And not this way. Because somebody will think it's attached with these two, Abby. So make sure you write it very well. This is n over what? 2 minus what? Have you seen the waiting? Half times n means n over 2. Not half n. As if the n is down. No, it's up. And here will be n over what? 2. Is that okay? So half minus half is 0. If we look at it, this is the first one, 8 times, Abby. And this one, 1 over 2 times n. Expansion. So
Sir, please,
this
I have
times
a question.
this times it. And then this is now 1 over 2 times minus 1 minus half. Abby?
Hello,
I
sir.
ask your question. And I go ahead.
For that U51, right? We said
Yes.
half plus 50 in bracket, and that's half Abi for that D. And then we got 25.5. How is it that when we got to U201, We didn't do the same thing. Half plus 100 or
We
plus
did the
100.
same thing. We did it. Half plus 100 plus half is also 100.5 or 100 and
Why
half.
didn't we do?
I'm
Why
trying
didn't?
to let you know.
Oh, okay.
No, wait.
Why
Wait,
didn't we
I'm
do
trying to
it?
let you know. Wait. I'm trying to let you know that it could be 100 whole number 1/2 or 100.5. Any of the two is in order. So that's why I did this 1.5. I did this one fraction so that somebody will understand any of the two is in order.
Sir, what I'm saying is that we divided, right? What I'm saying is that we divided.
Yes, ma'am.
Abi, did I make a mistake? The board is just jumping up and down.
Hello, the division is
It's
on the 200. It's on the 200 already.
200 times half 100, agree?
Yeah.
Agreed?
Okay.
100 plus half is 100 and a half, 100.5.
Multiplication.
If you divide this now,
Okay.
1/2 means
Yeah, I'm doing it
0.5.
now.
1.5 plus 100, the choice. Any of the two is okay. Any questions? What the
Yes,
simply means like that. All of
Yes.
us know how to use formula. This formula, there's no more problem, I mean. We know the meaning of A, we know the meaning of N, we know the meaning of T, we know the meaning of what UN. So there's no more problem. So we're going to now see how to apply it. Because according to that concept like application, now we are showing you how the sequence of AP looks like, how the formula works. We want to take some questions to apply what arithmetic progression is all. Those of us online, are you cool? Any questions? Okay.
Sir,
You need a copy of the book.
Sir, just give us a minute.
Right. Let me give you time. No one. You need a copy, just 6,000 naira only. Yes, that's the price. The interest rate is 490-page book written by me
Which
since
book?
1999. And I will show you now. I will show you. Those of you online will see. So you'll find AP there. I hope you have seen AP there. You'll see set inside. You'll see matrices, and which is more than almost half of the course outline. So, and the book does not waste. When you finish, give it to your children from SS1 up. Can use it. For GSS, no. SS1 up. TJAM, you can use it. The higher institution, you can use it. Any questions? I don't think they are happy. We are doing 2 plus 2. That's equal to 4. Okay. No. It's still the University of Labour Bookshop. You can walk in there if you are privileged to be there. Or you get it from me. No, voila. Those of us online, this is how it looks like. Understand it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Those of us, this is how the book looks like. You are seeing the author life and direct. There is it. If you need a copy, let us know.
Is that much again?
It's 6,000 naira only.
6. Okay.
Only. 60 only. Yes. Only.
I thought you said 2,000.
I had 2,000.
Don't
I had
forbid
2,000.
But even when the book came out first in 1999, we started with 400 naira. That was first edition. Now we're in third. And before even Tunumbu, we have been selling 2,500. We have been selling 3,000, 4,000 before Tunumbu. Yeah. So paper cost now, they know. So it's 50 now, that's also. The last semester, I said, no, like that. Okay, not be here anything. So if you need a copy, you can call. Anyhow, it can get to you anytime. Maybe Dr. St. Vincent anytime. So what I think, can we move? Okay. Let's take some few questions to apply this small thing and see how I go get that. Because you must get it. Question one. Remember, the formula is Hello. The formula is made up of 1, 2, 3. 3 components or 4. Any of them can be given. You have to look for one of them. Are you following? You can have to look for A, you can have to look for D, you can have to look for N. Are you following? So 2 will be given. They are looking for 1. 2 will be given. That is the kind of changing subject of formula and you get the result. So let's take few questions and see how far we can go. Question 1. The third term. Question 1, right? So the third term of an arithmetic progression. The third term of an arithmetic progression is 7. Third term of an AP is 7. Full stop. Third term of an AP is what? 7. Full stop. If the first term is 3, whole number, comma, find the common difference. Find the common difference. That's the end of question 1. Question number 2. The fifth term. Question 2. The fifth term of an AP. The fifth term of an AP is 31. Fifth term of an AP is 31. Full stop. If the common difference is 7, comma, find the first term. If the common difference is 7, comma, find the first term. Question number 3. Question 3. The nth term, that is NTH, the nth term of an AP is log 8. The nth term of an AP is log, L-O-G, 8. Full stop. If the first term and the common difference, the nth term, NTH, the nth term of an AP is log 8. The nth term of an AP is log 8. Full stop. If the first term and the common difference, are log 4 and log 2 respectively. Log 4 and log 2 respectively. Comma, find the value of n. Find the value of n, alphabet n. That's question 3, Abby. Question 4. The first 3 terms. The first 3 terms of an AP. The first 3 terms of an AP are x, comma, and x, comma, 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1, and 7x minus 4, x, comma, 3x plus 1, and 7x minus 4. Full stop. Fine.
Please, can you recap that question number 4?
Number 4. The first 3 terms of an AP are x, alphabet x, comma, 3x plus 1, and 7x minus 4. 3x plus 1 and 7x minus 4. Full stop. Find Roman figure 1. The value of x. Find Roman figure 1. The value of x. Roman figure 2. 10 times. 10 times. That's number 5. Eh? Let's just stop at 6. Number 5. The third and fifth times. The third and fifth times of an arithmetic progression. The third and fifth times of an 80 and 17 and 31 respectively. The third and fifth times of an 80 and 17 and 31 respectively. Full stop. Find the arithmetic progression. Find the arithmetic progression. Question 6. If x, comma, if x, comma, 10, comma, if x, comma, 10 whole number, comma, y, comma, if x, 10, y, 20, x, comma, 10, comma, y, comma, 20 is an arithmetic progression. Is an arithmetic progression. Find x and y. Find x and what? Y. Those of us online, I hope you are following. Those of us physically, yeah. Doing well. Yes.
Among all of them, it seems like it's number 6 that is easiest.
Number 6, have it?
Yes.
That is easiest, have it? Okay. We'll see what we can do. All of them will be easy. Okay. And look at the question 1 to 6, have it? Is there anyone you can solve on your own? I didn't say you should solve. But is there anyone when you look at that, this one? No? Somebody just told me online, as part of the whole 6. My number 6 is easy. So is there anyone anybody can solve here? Like this number 1 or 2? Number 1 that you can handle that one. Okay, let's go. No point. Question 1.
Everything.
Question 1 says what? The third time. Look at the board. Third. See board. Third. You agree, Abby? The question has mentioned third. And that third, that's the formula for third time. And they say the third time is what? This is third time, Abby. Is what? It says what? And you continue. First time is what? This is first. I will have to find what? Common what? Different. That's what? Collection of what? And this is what? And this is what? Any question? Is it difficult? It is easy, is it? We're doing well. Number 2. If number 1 it is number 2. Number 2 talks about I am digest, no wahala. I am digest to the director is telling us that they need to digest this thing. Is it clear? Number 1, is it clear? They are making us the problem they have is that it's a long time they did it. But immediately they see the man of God to open their eyes, they are doing well. Adi? Are you doing well? Immediately we don't open their eyes. It's a small thing. They can't come and they will remain the same. No.
Sir, the question said the term of an 8th progression is 7.
7. See, and under it will put 7. Be clear?
So
You thought
of n.
N is 3 now. N is third. T and 3. 3. You know, it can be TN. I mean, TN or UN. So that 3 is the third term. Third term. Third term is 7. First term is 3. Common difference. We look for it. It becomes an equation. Collection of like terms. This will change from 3 to minus. Okay? So this is 4. Coefficient of 2 is what? D. And coefficient of D is 2. Any of them. So because coefficient of D is 2, divide both sides by 2. And carry this to let it be done. The coefficient must always be denominator. Let's find that. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. So that means the common difference is 2. Is it clear? Yes. Yes. When I put it there. Yes, you can always do that. But sometimes if you don't remember formula, that could be another one. It's important so that we know where we're going. Sometimes when you walk like that time. Okay, some of us online are you copying? Fifth time is what? 30. Yeah. Fifth position. In a simple language, the number that occupies the fifth position is 31. This is a number that is at the fifth position. That's the meaning of fifth position. Next part, we don't know. Common difference they gave us as well. That's all. So here's 31. Here is 8. Here's 28. I mean, collection of what? 31 minus 28 equal to 8. 3 equal to 8. 8 is equal to what? Is that easy? And because it's objective, as small things, I've checked their past, as small. As far as I want to do the idea, it's all you need is to practice more. Right? And if you have spend money on academic material, read, fast questions, and ask questions. Ask questions. No, our formula now, fixed term. That's our formula now, UN plus N minus 1. This is 5, Abby. This is 5. 4 will come here. Like that. And if you don't want to write this some problem, well, that will wasting of time. There is objective text. I don't need straight. Number 3. You know, the first formula, we found D.
Author, just a moment.
Okay. The 2 components were given. I will ask to find 1, which is D. Number 2 components were also given. I will ask to find 1, A. That means you should know how to get A, you should know how to get D. The third one is how to find N.
I have a question, please, before you proceed.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, since it's objective, is there a way one can use the calculator to solve all of this?
No, calculator doesn't have a sequence inputted in it, but you can easily do this. You know, you may not write it to the end the way I'm doing it. When you understand this, immediately you have seen 7 equal to 3 2D, you should know with your calculator that it is 4 divided by 2 and you get your D. It's not like integration that has some input of it in calculator, but sequence doesn't have. So you must remember the formula. Number 3. This is what the end time I did. That is when I remember this my formula. I say it. The general formula, the end time. End time. You must remember the end time. The number that occupies position is your what? And no position. Whatever is third or fourth or fifth or sixth, but there is a number. There is a time that occupying that position we don't know is log what? 8. And the first position is log what? 4. The time we don't know. Common difference is log what? 2.
2.
Understand? What are we looking for now? N. We want to find out what is that. And as you are finding N, you must also understand the rules guiding logarithm. Logarithm is not ordinary number. It has rules. Logarithm does not take multiplication from the front. It takes from the back. I'll let you know what I'm saying. Look at the bottom. If I have this log what? Times 3. This is log 2, have it? Times what? Somebody could be tempted to write log 6. You can say that thing has gone back. So it is now. So logarithm does not behave like any other number. This is another number. 4 times 3. You don't multiply it. So this 3 must go back. The question was like this. Very low. Very anti-bracket. Very full. I want to check my book. When you say I love you today in front of me. You see, my log with this one. That log on top, my question. That first one on top is question. The second one, I formulate to solve the question. I hope you understand. Okay? So, you have it like that. So, you need to understand. Now, you go this way. Log what? 8. Log what? 4. Yes. This times 6 is not log 12, but n log what? 2. Minus log what? 2. Is it okay about? Remove like this, log 8. This is log what? Minus log what? So, I mean, you know this thing when there is a minus and the base are the same because these are all the base 10. Base log 8 is the 10, log 2 is the 10, that's simply number. So because it's in the same base, minus will turn to division, plus will turn to multiplication. But if they are not in the same base, they can't work. We have to solve this one separately, solve this one separately, and find the difference. But for this one, they are the same. Abi? So I have log what? 4 over 2, Abi? Is it clear? Log 4 minus log 2 will become 4 over 2 because it's minus. Now turn to division. We have log 8 because in this topic called sequence, so many topics are inside. There is solve, there is logarithm that will form sequence. Have it? There are alphabet, algebra that will form sequence. So everything inside. So you need to apply all. It's n log what? 2. What is 4 divided by 2, which you know is log 2. We're going to correct items as usual. Log 8 minus what? Log 2. Our n log 1. The left hand side is still minus, right? We'll still talk the what? Finish. So it's going to be 8 divided by 2.
Come to the 4.
Hello?
Come to the 4.
4 divided by 2. Now 2.
Okay.
Log 4. Log 4 minus log 2. And it. Good. Now this one now will be log 1. 1 equal to n log 1. So, is it clear? 4 means 2 times 2. 4 means 2 squared. Okay. Let's take it to the answer. The second for the second. Is it okay, ma'am? I think I did that as well. Okay. We're still meeting up. You know, the coefficient of n here is
I'm
log
sorry,
6.
sir. I don't understand. That's the log 12.
Which one?
12 log. 12 log
8 divided by 2, 4. 4 means 2 squared. And 2 squared will become 2 log what? I equal it based on some of the laws of logarithm, which is m raised to power p is equal to p log what? As a law of logarithm. that we're operating upon for this kind of situation. And you have 2 log 2 divided by log 2 because the coefficient of n is log 2. This log will go down. Any number that is attached to an alphabet, the coefficient must go down. And you are all aware. Any questions? Because we know that log 2 cancel log 2, right? And that means that simply tells us this log 8 you are seeing occupies the second position in the sequence of that arithmetic progression. Is it clear? Put it down. And, meditate before we move to number 4, 5, and then 6. Those of you online, any questions? You can make an A in the cup, not that difficult. It's all calculation. And when you do calculation very well, they will give you all the math. There's nothing like they are managing on it.
Hello, sir.
I can hear you, Brian.
I don't understand what you did here when you said log 2 raised to power 2 is the same thing as 2 log 2. How is that possible?
It's not me. Those that came before us, may they so continue to rest in peace. See that they said, and I quote, logarithm of n raised to power p in base 10, base 10, that this p on top will go at the back of the logarithm. And it has improved, and they have agreed. And we have no choice than to apply that standard form, which is the formula. Is it clear? As it is. And by all practice, it is true. Because 2 raised to power 3 is 4. So, and if we bring it like this, so this one means 2 times log 2 of it. If you press your calculator log 4, will be the same thing as 2 times log 2. Because log 2 is 0.30 from your calculator. So multiply, the result will be the same thing as log 4 that we got here. So that is the procedure. So that this can cut this. I will get n as 2. I hope it's clear. Yeah. Calculator. Now, calculator can do it. It's just that if I press log 8 minus log 2, calculator will put in decimal. Okay? Press your calculator. Check. If you press log 8 minus log 2, some may put in calculator. But I wonder whether they will leave it in log 4 for us. Some will may. Some may just push the final answer. And when you now put it in decimal, I know they will give you more than 40 dollars a day. I begin to have point with your decimal. But you can still use it. But now at the end of the day, you still get one. So anyhow, you can run it. Did they give you log 4? Log 8 minus log 2. Did they put 4 or decimal? When you put decimal, the thing will give you consign. You may not know how to handle it, so it's better. This question can be in log, it can be in ordinary number. Now I told you, logarithm can be sequence. Any type of number on earth can be your sequence. Logarithm, did they give you log 4? Decimal. And the decimal will be more than 4 figures. And then before they give you work again. And it's objective. So it's better to remember this kind of time. But if it's ordinary number, no problem. Just as logarithm is a special kind of number. But I need to understand how it works. Is it clear? Number 4. Can we? Those of us online, can we move? 1 has gone, I believe. 2 is also 2 understand. Let's see number 4. Now, what we have just seen on the board is that number 1 to 3 teach us on how to get A, D, and N. How to get any component of the formula. A, G, N. That's what the first 3 questions talks about. But the remaining 3 is to solve generally. Some could lead to simultaneous equation. Some could lead to ordinary equation. We have not gotten to the one that will lead to quadratic. We'll still get there. But let's see. Number 4. Are you saying it? I'll solve this question in 2 ways. But the first way is what I just told you. I give this one. Give this one. Give this one. Formula B minus 1. Are you saying it? 3x plus 1 minus x. 7x minus 1. 3x plus 1. You need to put bracket because there's a minus at the middle. Is it clear? First way of doing it, sharp. Apply the formula. The second way we'll show you. Anyone like is 3x minus 1x is 2x. 7x minus 1. Open the bracket. Are you there? This is 2x plus 1. 4x minus 1. Minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. 7x minus 3x is 4x. Collection of what? This is 4x minus 1. This is 6. X is what? Minus 1. Any question? The one that we should find the value of what? X. Answer is 3. But if you don't like to solve this Roman figure 1 like this, you can go this way. There is nothing wrong. Look at the board. First term, second term, third term. Abi? Is that okay? So first term is given, Abi?
Sorry, sir,
Is it given on the board?
I don't understand
Go
this
ahead.
question. I don't understand this
We don't
question.
understand the first method. Are you there when we started? When you at the beginning of the class?
Where we have 3x plus 1 minus
Anywhere,
x. I
anywhere at the
understand.
beginning of the class. I use this formula at the beginning, Abi?
Yes,
Did
sir.
I? Ah.
Yes.
So this is A, B, C. This is the formula. This is our formula that we're using. And we just substitute B. This is our minus. This is A. This is our C. This is our D. And because there's a minus at the bracket, it makes a full bracket. And what we did was to say 3x minus 1x, 2x, plus 1 is 7x, minus 4 is still intact, minus times this is minus 3x, minus times plus is minus.
Minus 1, okay.
So this is still repeated. 7x minus 3x is 4x. You owe 4, you owe 1. Everything you are owing is 5, which is minus 5. Collection of items. This was the minus of this side. Dropping this sign of equality, changing from minus to plus to join this one whole number. Collection of letters is like saying boys this side, girls that side. That's what it means. The one with alphabet will join with one with alphabet. Ordinary number with ordinary number. Changing from minus to plus, or from plus to minus. And that's how we got it. But like I said, if you don't like how we got this value of S as 3, you can use this second alternative. How did I arrive at this? Nobody told me to use it. I counted 1, 2, 3. Third term is 7x minus 4. I mean, I write down third term. Third term is 7x minus 4. Third term is what? 8. Common difference is what I'm looking for. I mean, 2D. I mean, this one will become equation what? 1. But that is long anyway. You now take this one. From equation what? 2. The D is, you want to stand it. I'm making it up. Hello, cost one like this. I'm giving you shortcut on objective, you do it's objective. Or you can read more if you have a copy of the test. So no one. Now Roman figure what? We have gotten the value of x. Yes. Uh, it's common not with this now. They are common different requested. I will compare it. Okay. So that's how we're using it. Even if you don't like this formula, that just say this minus this plus this minus anytime as long as AP, even if you don't like B minus A in school or in exam, in the mind it is even objective. Nobody knows what you are written. What they know is the A, B, C, D, diagram. Roman figure 2, what you X is what? I do what they call substitute. Yes. No. The only way we can find X is when we put it the way we have done. You know, the common difference thing, Abi? This minus this is equal to this minus. So with that, X will come out. If we want to look for common difference, now we're going to do it. But nobody has told us to look for the common difference. But Roman figure 2 will make us look for it. Because we're looking for 10th term. We must know D. So we're going to look for D now. But first of all, we'll do substitution. For anything. First term is what? 3 times 3 equal to second term. Abi? 7 times this minus that is 17. First term is what? Common difference is what? We have seen this on the board today, Abi? 3, 10, 17. Good. Having done that, the problem becomes so easy to handle. From all indication, okay. The first term is what we have to look for. And this is the formula for center. First term is what? Common difference. And the problem becomes easy. Final answer? Any question? So the 10th term is 6. And that's how to handle problems like that. Those of us online, are you copying? Those of us physically, any questions? Yes? Yeah, according to the, I don't know. Ask them the question. Those of us online, can you hear us?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can hear you.
That is fun.
We can hear, but we can't see the board anymore. We can't see the board.
Okay, now.
Yeah, now.
Now, okay. It's doing something to it. You will see it very soon. You can see it now, eh?
Yes, we can see it now.
Good. So that's question 4. Roman figure 1 and 2. Roman figure 1, value of x is 3. Roman figure 2, the 10th time is 6. We have number 5. Are we? What is the number 5? Now we lead on to simultaneous equation, and you are aware that simultaneous equation is also a matrix, Abi. You have been taught now in school. Okay, now on side, okay. In matrices, it goes with simultaneous. We use simultaneous to solve matrices sometimes. Which is called system of equation. Like a natural constant is a system of equation. So that's simultaneous. We use it to solve. So we're going to see a little of simultaneous now. In number 5. Is that okay? So read. Is that the third time? What your third term is equal to A plus 2D. Third term. See formula for third term, Abi? Third time is 17, Abi. Hello? Equal to A plus 2D. This is equation what? 1. Fourth time.
The ball is gone,
I've
sir.
given
The ball,
equation 1. The ball.
yes, sir. Again.
It will come up now.
Okay, it's okay now. It's okay.
Good. So look at the ball. Say, in the bottom level to the third term and fifth term, Abi. So third term definition on the ball. And third time, the number that occupy the top position 17. And that gives back to equation 1 that will lead to simultaneous equation or system of equation. Fifth term was given.
I don't understand. Sir, please, I don't understand this question 4, Roman figure 2.
But you understand Roman figure 1?
Yes.
Oh yeah, now. See, X is 3, Abi.
Yes.
Are you there?
Yes,
So
yes.
I think substitution. First time is X, Abi.
Yes.
Are you so we put 3.
I'm with you, sir.
X is 3, Abi.
Yes.
Second time is 3 times S plus 1. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1. 10. Second time.
Okay.
Third time, 7 times 3, 21. 21 minus 4, 17. So
Okay.
first time is 3. Second time is 10. Third time is 17. A is 3. Common difference is 7. Then we solve 10 times. Is it clear?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Now, the third term has given us equation 1. The fifth term will give us equation 1, 2. Fifth term, A plus 4D. Fifth term is 31, is that? And then it's A plus 4D, and this is equation 1. So, and that becomes simultaneous what? Equation. Simultaneous equation is a system of equation when you solve letters one after the other. There could be 2 variables, there could be 3, there could be 4, 5, 6, unlimited. You just copy and want to solve. There could be the one with 2 variables, 3 variables. When it's 3 variables like that, we can still solve. When it's going to 3, we'll try to apply matrices and solving it. Or if it is 2, like this one, can use the elimination method, can use substitution method, can use graphical method, or use matrices to solve. For this level, we'll just use simultaneous idea, which is not that difficult. Now I'm going to eliminate. Now, A is common to the 2 equations, Abi. I can subtract, Abi. When I subtract to be A minus A 0, I can look for D. So that is elimination. An easy way to do it to make things easier. This is equation 1. This equation 1 is small, Abi. The figures are small. Equation 2, the figures are small. I can now say subtract. Subtract 1. From where? You know, subtracting 1 from 2 means 2 minus 1. So equation 2 minus equation 1. 31 minus 17 is 14, Abi. A minus A is 0. That means A has been eliminated. 4D minus 2D is what? Our D is 14 over 2. And that is what? Is that okay? The question continues.
Hello, sir. Is it simultaneous? Is this simultaneous equation, sir? What we've just done?
Simultaneous. Elimination method. Elimination. We can also use substitution in the 2.
Hello, sir.
Yes, I can hear you.
The number 5, can you explain it again, please?
And if you have the question, it says third term. It gives us equation 1. Fifth term, give us equation 2. And that becomes simultaneous what? Equation. So, we want to eliminate alphabet A because represented by the set. So, subtract equation 1 from 2. 31 minus 17 is 14. A minus A is 0. That means A is eliminated. So that we can solve for what? D. And that's why we call it elimination by substitution method. 4D minus 2D is 2D. And D is equal to 14 over 2. And D is what? 7. And I need to look for what? A, abi? And that means I'm going to do what? Substitute. Substitute for D in any of the equations you prefer. You can take equation 1, you can use equation 2, you get the same one. And I take 17, A plus 2D. Whenever I see D, I put 7. So that I can find what? A. This is 2 into 17. And this is what? 14. Collection of like terms. And this is 3 equal to what? D is what? If the examination was started with 20, I would have stopped saying, right? I just pick 7 as the alternative. If we have to find 8, we would have gone for that to get this A as 3. Some other time they tell us to find A plus what? D. A plus what? That means we should add this together to get 10 as the answer. Because the alternative could say find A plus D. When you are getting D, you have gotten A, you add the two together to get the answer. But the question is not specific. So you should find what? The one. So you should find the 80. So the arithmetic progression is first time is 3. So what is 7 of it? 3 plus 7. And then that is the final. And you never, if you stop here, never get that. You will see to the alternative. If you find 80, you have to arrange arithmetic progression. That was when we started. I taught you how to form 80. Because sometimes you could be asked to form an arithmetic progression. Or some other times, some of the objective questions I saw, you will hear which of the following. Is there a sequence? Or is there an 80? So you to check and know which one is working the way ought to. Any queries? Some of us are sleeping. Okay, you are meditating better. Are you talking or you are just analyzing?
Hello, sir. I have a question.
Is it for me to answer?
Yes.
It's a rhetorical question. Okay. Very good.
Hello, sir.
No, let's take one. Yes, I can answer. Go ahead.
Okay. Why you were substituting for D in equation 1, I
Yes.
think so is it possible to also substitute for D in equation 2, or you randomly pick?
Yes, you get the same thing. Any of the equations, whether 1 or 2, you get the same answer. See D now, C2. And I put D, Abi. 4 times 7 is 28, Abi. 28 from 31 is still what? 3.
Okay.
And what's the one else? There is no shortcut to getting this answer. You must understand the formula. You can't just look at the question and know the answer. You must put paper, pen together. They must jam. There is no shortcut. Where is the shortcut? You just say 2 plus 4, you get 5. No, it's 80 now. The only thing you can only do is if it is that type I told you, where they gave you sequence and tell you to complete the text track. You can be adding it gradual or use the formula to get there. But the topic is this one that is simultaneous. How will sequence and series work? You must work it out. It's not something you don't look at. And the mathematics of the man that is here, shortcut is what? So it was working that. Except she is not ready to get the real answer. Except you want to get it. Yeah. This one is just now. Fast. Number one, 6. Finally, on that question. 6, Abby. What is that 6? 6. Okay. 6. What is it? 8, Abby. 8, Abby. 1. 8, Abby. You see these a lot in exam. This one, you see it a lot in exam. Okay. You know what is X? What is 1? You can double it. You want. This is 10. This is what? 20. If this one, if I add 5 to this, that will be 10. Add 5 to 120. Subtract 5 to 120. You know what that? But sometimes they know the one they do. But let's stay to 1 minute. I'm not trying that. That's not what they do. So that's why you have to apply. To be sure. So that when you come back on the exam, you'll be sure that this one is not possible. That someone will not come just so always solve it out. This second time again. Second time again. So next time. Simultaneous work. Now do that. Automatically do that. On the neighbor side. That's what. What's that? You for 8 plus 1. So next time it's equal to 8 plus 1. I just go to simultaneous work. This one I'm done writing the only thing class. When immediately I've done this, sometimes it's only is there. You don't get G. You need to get it before we solve. Subtract 1.
Please, why are we using U2 and U4?
8 minus 8 is 3 minus 1 is 2.
I think we have lost connection with him.
Sir, can you hear me?
We have
Hello,
lost
sir, can
connection.
you hear?
Give it some time. I don't on it.
Sure, you can hear.
1 minute. Sir, yes, now my things like they don't down. But those people online, they are talking.
So that's how to do it. I said, I didn't find A. Immediately I get D.
I have lost connection with you. Start again.
You are trying to fix it. Just relax. When you add, when you add common difference, you get second. When you add to second, you get third. When you add to third, you get fourth. When you subtract common difference from fourth, you get third. Subtract from third, you get second. Subtract from second. That is the rule. I mean, I'm trying to see. Any question? Number 1, 6. The 2 illustrations.
Mr. Gideon, tell him to hold on. Those of us online, we're not following, please.
Don't worry. We'll connect you.
We are connecting you now.
Don't worry. So like I said, that from number 1, 6. That is on about 6.6.
the next we have a series.
We're going to talk about okay. Additional. Yeah. Okay, anyway, listen. To better, okay. All right. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Put on clear.
So, sir, I said, yes, we can hear you now. Can you hear me?
Now,
Hello, we can hear you, sir. Can you hear? Yes, we can hear you. I said, why are you using U2 and U4?
you okay.
U2 and
Now
U4.
keep the check. Keep the check. First time is what? X. Second time is there. And that second time is given, I mean,
Yes.
because second time is given, I can go question one. Second is there on. So I can get
Okay. I get it now.
first time is given. And I got T as fine. And if I've got T as fine, I'm aware that all arithmetic progression are going to square. Common difference to first time, to then second time, to second time, third time, to third, fourth. Subtract common difference of the fourth time, then third. Subtract common difference of third, then second. Subtract common difference of second, then first. Therefore, x is 5, x is 5, x is 5, minus 1, 15. That's the final answer. Simple. So on that note, number 1, 6. Those two must create sequence of this information. So I'm still on page. I have moved on with it's a move on to a series. The word series is an addition of honest. You saw this, I think. 3, 10, 17, 5. Yeah, we put forward and it's sequence. I was not saying plus, 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 becomes series. Series is addition of answers for different. But this particular format is inside the jam. What does it say? For instance, the search to find some of the best impacts. So that the search to find was the answer is that was all of them. But what we have done, set in. And that one also has A and what? T. For this particular should this is how plus n minus 1 into 1. This for series of that same arithmetic program. A hasn't changed. It's still present. B has not changed. It's still bound.
Can anyone hear him?
No.
You can't hear him again.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, okay. So it's not we all cannot hear, right?
Informer, go and sleep.
No, I'm not sleeping. No.
Class has ended.
If it's IR, give me your IRP. I'll go and sleep.
Yeah,
Eh.
nah, no wahala. I've given you 3 textbook. Oh, yeah, go and read.
Which kind 3 textbook? Justin Bello, I'm coming for you.
uh, if you come for me, me too, I go bring professor for you when go take care of you.
I'm going to
I
meet
get
that
back
man.
I get
Johnson,
back up.
last, this Victoria, she will just beat you one day and she will have peace. Maybe by the time she beats you one day, she will have peace.
I go just allow him. Make it beat me so that I go have peace.
Lucy, are you sure this IRP you won't send me soft copy of the textbooks?
Sir?
I say, are you sure it's not the soft copy of those textbooks you sent to me?
Yeah, soft copy is 34,000. Yeah, 34,000.
How come that, chairman?
And you are still mentioning money. Okay.
Maybe that soft copy say you want, you know what hard copy. After the man invested 7.something million to print hard copy for you, say that soft copy you want. No problem. Now we'll sell it.
Soft copy is cheaper for him now, is it not?
Don't worry. That's what I said now. Okay, William, by your side now.
I did, my brother, and at time I never get to come around.
It is where Jerry, no wala. Hope we go see you on Monday, Sha.
What did happen on Monday? Now Monday 9 tight pass now.
You never collect your textbook. You need to collect them so that you go dey read.
G is bringing food for us on Monday, so you bring water.
Water is surplus now. Water is everywhere.
I'm not even here. I'm not here at all.
Hello, Johnson. Please, how much is the total amount for the 3 textbooks, please?
Just because you are an erudite student, I will give you for 25.
Okay.
It's not late entry.
I beg class don't finish, but I thought another thing, I beg.
Plus late requesting.
You understand?
This lecturer they clean board and they gist for here. Lecturer they clean board.
3 Abby, next. Next.
Excuse me, sir. We were not here when you were doing it.
Somebody say, excuse me, sir. That's what. Oh yeah, ask us. Let's see.
Sir, we are lost though. Huh.
We've not been connected since.
Don't worry, you'll be on. It's just to check one small thing. We let them know that the question paper also very good. He just do like this.
Or not? We have told you this is B minus what? That's the importance of that formula I gave you. This is 3. And this?
So today's topic or future topic?
Today's topic is no. Question. We are just looking at
that was snapped on the platform.
I finished question 1 to 6 for today, which is sequences of arithmetic progression. Well, let's just look at fast questions small before we go for today. Page 4, question 42. That question 42 says, which of the following is not an example of sequence? A is not an example of the sequence. And even if it is GP, it doesn't work with GP because GP goes with times and division. You multiply to progress, you divide to retrogress. But the only one that works. Yes.
Sir, is it possible to get short notes on sequence and series so that when we see, because I can see they are asking frequent questions on sequence and series, so that when we see it, can we get like short notes?
I gave you note.
No, you didn't give us note though.
I explained you.
Yes, sir, is read from notes. Okay. Please give us short notes because I can see the questions here.
We have told you what the sequence is all about. Just anything you can. This is what I'm asking. So this is 14 minus 3. This is 3 plus 8. This is 11. if I add 11 to this, I'll get it. Add 11 to this, I'll get it. Add 11 to this, I'll get it. Which shows that B is a sequence. C is also a sequence. But it's only A that is not
Not
a
a
sequence.
sequence.
Either
Yes.
AP or GP. Is that clear?
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Well done, sir. Please, this formula you wrote before the network yanked us off, please, what is it all about? At the bottom of the board, this SN
Oh, no,
minus.
this formula is what we'll do next time.
Okay,
Because
sir.
series of that same AP. Is that okay? We have just concluded
sir.
for today sequences of AP today. With those 6 questions we solve and those 2 illustrations, that marks the end of sequences of arithmetic progression on my own part. You just need to practice more. Now, when we come next time to conclude arithmetic progression, this will be series of arithmetic progression when we come next time. Is it clear?
Yes,
Look
sir.
at number 3. It says each number in a sequence. If you don't know this one, then they go. Is what? What's the answer? So even if I don't give you notes, I can align that. So that one has got A. Number 44. We'll never reach there, but let's still see whether we can do it. Okay, we can see this. It said write the first 3 terms of a sequence. People, we have written that today. We did something like that today. I don't know whether you looked at it. Maybe about 45, 3n plus 1, have it? Okay, plus 2. Is that write the first 3 terms of this sequence? This is the formula. This is the answer. This is the UN for this particular sequence they are talking about, which we are here to find. He said we should write out the first 3 terms. In a simple language, it means UN is 3n plus 1. Are you following? U1 is the first term. Whenever I see n, I put waiting. U1. Answer. Yeah. Good. The 12th term plus 2. That's all. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is a sequence of 8 PAB. And our answer is what? Huh? C. Is that difficult? Is it difficult? We did it today. We have told you that they can give you a sequence of a particular AP, not all. That original formula is the sequences of all arithmetic progression. But they can give you, just like you saw me have 7n minus. That's what you're just saying. And this 3n is like what you saw when we did the UN equal to 7n minus something. Here now they remove the n and just give you this. So they want to do it like this. And whenever it's n, put 1 first time, put 2 second time, put 3 third time. And that's the answer. Let's see another one. 46. 46. Find the expression of the end term.
Oh.
We have to stop here because that 46 is geometry progress. In a simple language, it's 10. 10 times 5 is 50, have it? 10 times 5 is 50. 50 times 5 is 50. 50 times 5, I believe you have those kinds. So when you start multiplying, it becomes geometric work. When we reach there, we answer this question, it will make more meaning. We have just seen 42, 43, 4, and okay, there is 45, I think. Let's do 45, but it's still the same thing. Let's try 45. Let's do 45. 45 is also, the guy is having power. It makes it geometric also, but let's just try that one, then we'll put it UN equal to 2 into, because it's like this, it's not 8. Anything that has power is not 8. Because if it has power, it means there's multiplication in it, and that makes it geometry. And we have not done geometry. AP goes with addition and what? Subtraction. While geometry goes with multiplication and what? Division. But let's just know how to find out. First time, so here it's supposed to be n, not the x. It's supposed to be n, not x. So that should be what's more, but anyone, x or n, whichever one. So 3 1 minus 1 means 2 times 3 to power 0. Okay. Second time, 2, 3, 2 minus 1, 2 times 3, answer. And third time is 2, 3 minus 1, 2 times 3 square. This is not Rabi. I will say 2 times 3, 6 times 3. That one makes it geometry, not it. So, on that note, any question? Any question? That's all we can possibly take for today. Any question? So we have seen frequency of arithmetic progression. When we come next time, we'll look at series of that same arithmetic progression. When we look at the question, let's go ahead and
Please, what of number 47 and 48, I think.
we'll continue when we come some other time. When we have done series of AP and move on to sequence, maybe because when we come next time, not only that series we'll dive into AP. And by that time, you can still be looking at the question more and more. So whenever we stop, you can continue. If you have question, you ask. On that note, if there's no other question, yes?
The 43, we were not connected as at the time we did it, and I can't see it on the board.
43. And 43, no, I say each number in a sequence is called A, B, C, D. What's the answer?
Each number in a sequence is called ABC.
A, B, C, D. What's the answer from the lecture you have listened to today? What's the answer? Hello? The answer is A. In case you have forgotten. It's fine. And then, God bless you. That's all Upper Central can take for today. See you next time. Yeah. Well then, see, help me end the recording. You automatically become the host so that end the recording. Click on the
Yes,
on your
I did that. So what did you say I should do?
recording. You are not the host. Just click on your device. Click on recording stop. The host. I can do that.